friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anders Evans, and thank you for choosing to follow me. So do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and also press the comment section. Today I want us to go through Microsoft Excel. There are the key things that we are going to look at in the introduction of Microsoft Excel. We shall just introduce it. Then next time we shall talk about it in detail. So straight away, let me go to Microsoft Excel, which is just here. So this is Microsoft Excel that I have it here. So Microsoft Excel is made up of many parts. Now the first one that we shall talk about is the rows and the columns. As we can see, we have some letters that are labeled A, B, C, D, E, F, and it continues like that. It continues like that. So then we also have some numbers that are written from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those numbers goes up to infinity. So that is what we call rows and the columns. So the rows now are the ones that are being labeled with numbers 1, 2, 3, and then the columns are the ones that are labeled with the letters A, B, C, like that. Now that is what we call rows and columns. So the vertical ones now are the ones that are labeled using letters A, B, C, numbers 1, 2, 3. And then the horizontal ones are the ones that are made up of letters A, B, C, D, E, F, like that. So that is what we call rows and columns. So let us also look at what we call a worksheet. Now, the whole of this page is what we call a worksheet. The whole of this page is what we call a worksheet. Now, it is a spreadsheet page that contains rows and columns. That is what we call a worksheet. Now, all this is what we call a worksheet. It contains rows and columns, as we have said about rows and columns. And that is what we call a worksheet. Now, another thing that we shall also look at is what is inside this worksheet. We call it workbook. Now, a workbook is a collection of one or more worksheets. A workbook is a collection of, but for now, I'm not so much interested to look at that one. Let us look at the cells. Now, the cells are these boxes that made up rows and columns. Now, for example, here, that is a cell. And now when I click on it, it's active like that. And now I can write and I can type anything. Now I can also come and then I click on here. You see now this cell of mine is becoming active. It is moving from the other side. Then I can click on it and type anything that I may want to type. Now all these are cells. All these are cells. All these are cells. And that is what we call cells. These are just boxes that helps us to enter data or formula into our computer. Or we also enter the functions. And these are what we call cells. These are what we call cells. So, colleagues, that is what I wanted us to do. I just wanted us to introduce Excel. So, in our next discussion, we shall be looking at Excel in detail, and that is next time that we shall meet. But friends, for now, do not forget to click on the comment button, like it, and also share to your beloved ones. So I love you all. Goodbye for now.